Ta-da! Did you get all the A's? Now, here's this. Okay, good job. The color the stem right here, green.
Ta-da!
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 Pretty.
Right?
What is this, an apple?
Ta-da!
Good job. Are those your A's? How many A's are there? Can you count them?
4,
Count them.
4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 9, 9.
You want to count them with Mama? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We already got some of those. How many are there really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.